Illustration 4. Assuming that angle of incidence at a refractive surface is sufficiently small, derive the relation between real depth, apparent depth and refractive index. Here the real depth is going to be HO, apparent depth is our HI, and refractive index of respective materials are N1 and N2. Fine. Here as shown in the figure, we are assuming that the ray is traveling from first media N1 to the second medium N2. Here the first medium is rare and second medium is dense. So let us assume एक simple बात consider करिए तो if we guys are observing fish within a water tank, that means we are going to have this kind of thing. Actually એ જેટલી depth પર હોય એના કરતા થોડીક નજીક દેખાશે આપણને તો એની જે original depth છે that is our HO અને એની જે virtual depth મતલબ આપણને જે દેખાય છે that is nothing but HI. So for that we have drawn the figure. Here we are observing that thing. It is actual depth of the fish and it is the imaginary or whatever we are observing that depth of the fish. That means it is HO and it is HI. Fine. Now here let us assume that this much distance, that is PO, will be considered as a HO, that is real depth. PI, that is nothing but virtual depth. Now for refraction, we have a condition that N1 sin theta 1 is equals to N2 sin theta 2. Here it is theta 1, that means angle of incidence, and theta 2, it is going to be theta 2 also, and theta 2 is nothing but angle of refraction. But here initially only we have considered that refractive surface is sufficiently small. It is very small. That means we can say that if theta is very small, sin theta will be equal to tan theta. આ values આમાં put up કરી દઉં તો n1 tan theta 1 will be equal to n2 tan theta 2. Now we are going to draw two triangles. One triangle is QPI and another triangle is QPO. It is QPI and it is QPO. QPI consider करिए तो tan theta 1 that is equals to PQ upon PI and PQ upon PO that is tan theta 2 is equals to PQ upon OP. Fine. આ બંનેની values આમાં put up કરી દઈશું તો we will have N1 PQ upon PI that is equals to N2 PQ upon OP. Fine. Now but PI assume करिए तो what is PI? PI is HI and PO is HO. So N1 upon HI that is equals to N1 upon HI that is equals to N2 upon HO, and that's why we can say that N1 by N2 is equals to HI by HO. N1 consider करें तो that is for rarer medium and N2 is for denser medium. So we can say that N rare upon N dense is equals to HI by HO.